Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F5 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. First of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the wallpaper section. If you will have the internet connection, you will be transferred to the wallpapers available via themes. As you can see here, we've got a lot of categories. We've got news, top, or the categories overall, so like nature, colors, etc. And as you can see, we've got a lot of beautiful options from which we can choose. We've got a lot of wallpapers from which we can choose. If you like particular wallpaper and if you'd like to check the preview of it, just tap on it, and as you can see, it will appear here. Next to it, we've got kind of similar wallpapers which we can choose. Also at the bottom we've got more options to choose from, but if you want to check this particular one, just tap on it again and tap to preview, and as you can see, this is how it will look like on the lock screen. Basically, if you want to, you can change the wallpapers also just by swiping here, so you don't have to get back to the previous page. So if you want to apply the wallpaper, just tap on apply, and here you can decide where you want to set it. So you can set it as a lock screen, home screen, or both, and I will pick both options, so just tap on it. If you want to use the wallpaper carousel, you can just keep it on. I don't want to, so let me turn it off. And as you can see, we've got the information that the wallpaper has been applied. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper is on our home screen. We had also the information that we can change the colors based on the colors from the wallpaper in the Google section. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to change the wallpaper in your POCO F5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.